Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can unblock almost every website out there on a school Chromebook. So for that I will be providing these links in the description. All you have to do is just copy them and paste them in your Chrome one by one. So let's copy the first one for now and paste it in your browser. After that, don't do anything, open up a new tab and then copy and paste the second link. After pasting second link, just click enter and this is where it would take you. Here you will find all the extensions that you have, and you will also find the extensions which are blocking you, like GoGuardian. So you can just click on detail of that particular extension like GoGuardian, and after that you will find the link for that particular extension. So what we will do is just copy the end part of that particular extension like GoGuardian and then go to the first tab that we just opened up, which is this one, and then paste the code in the between, where it says that paste extension ID over here. Just paste the ID and this is how it will appear. And after that, just copy this link and add it as a bookmark. Click on add page and after that name it as first. Then in URL, paste the URL over here and click on save, and this is how it will appear. Now what we will do is just open up a new tab and then open up the link, the third one, copy it and paste it on the Chrome and then add it as a bookmark. Name it second and change it to this one. After that, click on save, and then we will repeat the process for the third link also. Click on add page, name it as third and change it to the third link and then save it. After that, all you have to do is just open all these three bookmarks one by one, like the first one first, second, and after that third. And after that, whenever you will try to open up any blocked website out there, you will be able to open it up. And this is how you open up websites or unblock websites on a school Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.